how to claim Worldcoin to vote. So here's how it works. First, you want to load up the Worldcoin app and then click on the Worldcoin card here. Now, once you click on the Worldcoin card, you will see spending available for use and vote. And here it's going to tell you the API in green. So you want to click on earn or anywhere on the vote section. And it's going to look like this. It's going to show you your current balance, then the rewards rate, how much or how many percent API you're getting, your lifetime earnings, and also your transaction history. So you want to click on transfer in. And once you click on transfer in, it's going to give you the slider and you can just slide it and select how many Worldcoin you would like to deposit into your vote. And you will click on continue, just follow the prompts, and that is how you transfer Worldcoin into your vote. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.